All right, I am excited to be working with you on the Facebook Canvas in this lecture. I think you're going to find it really fun. I'm going to teach you how to use this Facebook Canvas feature. It's a new feature and it really enables you to create an immersive experience on the platform directly. So the Facebook Canvas is an instantly loading full screen experience that acts like an on-platform landing page. It can include videos, photos, text, links, and more. So what you'll need to create this canvas that we're going to be creating together, because it's much more creative than a typical ad, is you're going to need a short square video. And it's important that your key messages are delivered via text, not just the audio or the voiceover on the video, because a lot of people watch these videos with the sound off. We're also going to need a headline to introduce the product or service, 3 images that are related to key features that you want to talk to people about. 3 key features, whether it's a product or a service, a place, whatever it is that you're selling. And then you're going to want some text for below the carousel. And so we're going to be getting into all that now. And in the study guide, you're going to see that we have a lot of step-by-step instructions and also all of the files necessary for you to practice this with files that we've created for you that you can get via a link in the study guide. So we're going to be working in the Creative Hub. So in the menu under Plan, here's Creative Hub in the first column. All right, so we're going to be creating a mock-up, and then we're going to do this in Facebook. Let's do a canvas. So now we're going to select our page, easel. All right. All right, now to start, let's go here to this plus button next to this canvas link. All right, and you're going to see this is pretty flexible. You can add components manually, but we're going to be using something close to one of the layouts that Facebook already offers. So let's click Explore Layouts, and we're going to use the Showcase Your Business layout, Use Layout. This is great for showcasing a new place, a new product, a new service line, something like that. So it's a really good top of the funnel tool. So let's go ahead and name this, and we're going to name it the Easel Teaser Canvas. All right, so I'm going to say Easel Teaser Canvas. There's our name, version 2, because I've already created this as I built the learning experience that you're taking now. So let's replace the video. So click Replace Video, and I have already created a video. This is the video that you can use. It's in the practice files, and you're going to see there's the text. I just want to let this roll for a minute so you can see what we're looking at. There's Ira and Hannah and Louisa, some really cool easel students. So that's what's going to be our teaser video there. All right, so moving on, let's move down here to the text. This is so fun because it's so much more creative. Let me show you an example. So as you highlight this here and you click on the color, now we can use hex codes so that we can use our colors that are associated with our brand. So I'm going to actually replace this hex code here, and it doesn't look that different, but this is the Easel Navy that we use. And so I'm going to close that just to keep everything a little bit on brand. I love making things look great. And then let's go ahead and delete the first image. We just want to delete this whole widget here. So we go up to More Options, Delete. All right, now we're going to be adding custom images in this carousel. And in the practice folder, you can use images 1, 2, and 3 that are labeled Canvas Practice. So you'll probably see something like this. It's in this folder here, and there are your images. All right, so now you're going to see that we've replaced our images here, and we're going to add some text underneath it. This is Chris's son, another cool easel student. And so what we're going to be doing here is we're going to add some text and just finish this canvas, and we'll be done here in just a second. All right, so you're going to see here that now we've changed the destination URL here. So if people tap on any of these images, it will take them to this destination. If you wanted to add UTM codes here, you certainly could. We're going to go ahead and change this text here, and now it's reflected underneath there. And you can kind of see how the user experiences as they scroll through the different images. So even though you're on image 2, the text will stay the same here. And then just to build your skills, let's go ahead and practice. modifying how some of this stuff is laid out. So we want to delete this button here, and then let's replace this photo with this image here. And that image is this Easel Arc logo. And then now let's add a component just so that we can build your skills. And let's add a product set, and let's just do all Easel courses. Great. So now you can kind of see what that looks like. I love bringing back the things that we learned earlier in the learning experience. So let's go ahead and save it. And once you've built your Canvas, you can always preview it, and it'll send a copy of a link to your mobile device, which is kind of fun. But let's go ahead and import this and actually launch it as an ad. So we're going to close this out, and we're going to go back here over to campaigns. And then so to move forward, let's just go ahead and use a campaign that we were using earlier, so we don't have to do so many steps, and we can build your skills around modifying campaigns and adding new ad sets and ad groups. Let's go ahead and select our Gaslight Saturday Morning Insta Special, and let's click on Ad Sets. Now let's go ahead and select the existing ad set, and then let's click Duplicate. And we'll leave it in the original campaign. Now, why did we duplicate this campaign? Because if you remember our placement for this campaign, this was our lookalike Instagram campaign earlier. Our placements are set only to include Instagram, and canvases are for Facebook users. So let's go ahead and select Facebook, eliminate Instagram. Great. Now let's go over and click over to these 3 ads. And then let's do view and edit. And if you don't have a new ad, then you can actually create a new ad. But let's go ahead and change this one to new Canvas launch. And then we'll save it to the draft. Now let's deselect these 2 ads, and then let's practice editing. So now we're going to edit our new Canvas launch. And if you go back over here to ad sets, you can see where the placements are. Facebook only, like we need for the Canvas. All right, so now under create ad, we're going to leave it here at add with image or video. And then we're going to go ahead and select, yes, we want to add a full screen canvas. Let's remove this one. And then let's use an existing canvas, the Canvas tutorial, which is the one that we just built. All right, so just to practice, let's clear our images here. We're going to go ahead and select our image, and let's use the animation image, which you saw teased there. And then here's the text that we want to use. You can find that in the study guide. All right, now we're going to add our headline, our schools like Easel the Future. Hopefully people will get kind of curious, and then they will open the canvas when they click on the ad. So that's the way that the canvases work. And I just want to let you know that in the study guide, you can see how Wendy's used a ad for the Canvas teaser and kind of how they did their, how they blended Canvas with ads. And that's in the study guide. You'll see that in the further resources link. So then all we're going to do is make sure our pixel is on, and then we'll publish it. And now our Canvas is being advertised.